Have you ever had a cough that just wouldn't quit, making you feel like your brain is rattling in your skull? I've been there until my mom shared a miracle remedy with me. Are you ready to discover this miracle secret? Hi there! If you don't know me, I'm Layla, and on Life and Beyond, we talk about life through the lens of Gen X. Today I'm sharing a family secret that boosts your health and adds a delicious twist to your life. A while back, after a seasonal cold, my cough just wouldn't stop. I felt like my brain was rattling in my skull. My sister suggested brewing some thyme, but my mom, bless her, said, "Mix it with mint. It's miracle." I was a skeptical, like, "Mom, mix them together?" But then I checked with my friend ChatGPT, and guess what? Mom was right. Moms have a generation of wisdom that science is just catching up to. I felt so bad for doubting her. So why is thyme such a miracle worker? Thyme is an incredible medicinal herb used in many cultures to treat ailments. Besides adding a wonderful flavor to food, it also has numerous healing properties. First, it's a natural expectorant, thinning mucus so you can breathe easier, perfect for coughs and colds. Second, it's antibacterial and antifungal. Thyme has antibacterial and antiseptic properties, making it effective in treating infections. For example, if you have small cuts or wounds, applying thyme oil can help speed up the healing process. And did you know thyme can even fight antibiotic-resistant bacteria? Pretty cool, right? Number 3. One of its most important benefits is boosting the immune system with antioxidants like vitamin C and A. Example: imagine you're suffering from cold in a winter season. Drinking thyme tea can help strengthen your immune system and reduce cold symptoms. Number 4. Thyme aids in digestion and can help relieve digestive issues such as bloating and indigestion. For example, drinking thyme tea after heavy meals can prevent digestive discomfort. Example: if you are feeling bloated or heavy after a large meal, drinking thyme tea can help you recover quickly. Number 5. It's anti-inflammatory, great for soothing a sore throat or even arthritis. Thyme also has a strong anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint and muscle pain. For instance, if you're suffering from joint pain or inflammation, drinking thyme tea or using thyme oil can relieve the pain. Example: imagine you're experiencing muscle soreness after an intense workout. Drinking thyme tea or massaging the muscles with the thyme oil can help reduce pain and inflammation. Number 6. It can reduce stress and calm your mind. 7. It's amazing for your skin and can help your acne. Example: imagine you are dealing with acne on your face. Diluted thyme oil on the pimples can help reduce inflammation and prevent bacterial growth. If we are not careful with thyme or use too much of it, its flavor can be a bit overwhelming in a dish. That's why I want to share a few tips with you. Of course, you're all experts, but no harm in saying it. At least it's helped me remember too. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Even if you don't like the video, be kind and give it a like. Yes, too much thyme or prolonged cooking can make it bitter due to its aromatic compounds and essential oils. And here is some tips to prevent thyme from turning bitter. Now back to thyme healing properties. Number 8. It supports heart health by regulating blood pressure. 9. Early studies suggested might have anti-cancer properties. And finally, it's a kitchen superstar, making your dishes taste incredible. Let's make a thyme and mint tea. Add a teaspoon of dried thyme and a few mint leaves to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Then add a spoon of honey, or if you want, little bit of lemon juice. Then drink it 2-3 times a day and let me know how it feels. I love to hear your thoughts. Thyme not only adds a unique flavor to food, but also serves as a medicinal herb that can improve your health. To get the most out of thyme, you can incorporate it into teas, oils, or your meals. If you care about your health, be sure to include thyme in your diet. I'm dedicated to creating quality content, so your support means a lot. Subscribe, share, and leave a comment. It really helps. Stay tuned for more videos. Until the next, stay in peace.